أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد وعجل فرجهم. Today is 23rd of May 2026 and it's Saturday night and we are going to do the weekly review. I'm doing the trade review so consistently almost every day that I it's just coming to my tongue every time I start recording. So this week, as you know, was not interested at all, at least for me, but there were some opportunities. I reviewed it today, like all the trades, all the trading days, with a fresh mind after a whole week. There was some opportunity, but still, it was not a good price action week. Okay, so I will give a small review of every day, what happened and what the price did. Okay, on Monday, there was no trade for me, and this was the 5 minute view of the day. Okay, no news day. We consolidate a bit. The sell side was not taken, and then we went to upside. I think I was bearish at that time. That was bearish. We were on higher time frame bearish, and there was no clear smooth price action after it as well. Let's see the 1 minute chart. Okay, so we did make some smooth highs to upside. Did take this, but they took the sell side, and then we start with the upside. Okay, so this was a Monday. No trade for me. On go Tuesday, there was this 8:30 news. Okay, and this day the market did move, but it did the move before the opening. So there was this opportunity early session. I already won for it already went for the target in the opening minute. Yes, see how we respected the monthly upper quarter, and yes, there was very smooth price action. We did respect the upper quarter for downside, then we respected the slow quarter, and then start going to downside. And it was before the 9:30, so I could take trade at that time because I looked for trade after the 9:30, and then after 9:30 there was this consolidate. So this daily low was my target if there was any opportunity, and we went for it at the opening minute. So this was a Tuesday, then Wednesday was I think break even day. Yes, we did respect, and there was this by seeing it again, there was this opportunity. I'll be honest that the way we is the 5 minute chart. Uh, okay, so this is the 5 minute chart. Took a sell side to a sell side trade. We went lower, took this sell side, touched the low quarter. I did some mistake at this point. I should have um, set the stop loss to break even, but I did not because uh, the price could have went to this upper quarter, even into this 5 minute first present value gap, and and I wasn't and I was very confident with this trade that we can go to the downside, but we did not, and I didn't set the stop loss to a break even, and we reversed to upside. Let me show you how what price did afterward. So we went to upside. So this was the day. Took this upside. There was some. We didn't took this high, so this was a smooth high. Went lower to take this, respected the low cost to upside plus upper quarter of the BP plus upper quarter of the daily. So this was a opportunity for me that there was a sign for me. Sorry, that we can go to upside. This move was logical. So, and for this move, opportunity was given, and it can be clearly seen on 1 minute. It's not the best opportunity 1 minute entry model, but still there was this entry. So we reversed to upside, went into this 50 minute first presented old gap, respected this, went down, closed downside, break to upside, respected the low quarter. So I could have entered. This could be the entry. Stop loss would have been below this low quarter. Sorry, the body of the 50 minute first presented value gap. And let 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 me check if there's any screenshot 1 minute afterward. Yes, there is. So you can see how we trace into it and then start going to and there was this only one day there was some clear opportunity, and it's kind of I can say I missed that, and then this was the day. This was not a good day, and I took a stop loss, hit the stop loss. Price did consolidate and then reversed outside. and yeah, and on Friday there was no trade for me. This was the day first recently where we were formed. We were going to the downside, but there was no clean liquidity was taken, and there was no clean price action for me, and so I didn't take this trade. Even there was a price did respected this low quarter and upper quarter downside. Then this first presented fair value gap, then this 15-minute, and yeah, and there was this still I didn't take it because the price action was not good at all. There was smooth highs to upside and smooth lows to downside. I did the right thing, and we went lower than start going to upside. And yeah, let me see this same thing on Friday. Okay, so uh, yeah, I didn't regret and not taking participate in this. So this was a whole week, and now should I show you the uh, should I show you the weekly review of the technical, oh sorry, trading aspect. So this was the weekly review. Okay, I completed this evening. I'm just going to give overview of that, what happened and what not. So these are some questions I asked myself. I set these up. At the end of the week, I will answer it and will make my change something in it. So all this week I took one trade, which was the loss on, and took that trade on DNA account 5K, and yeah, there was no trade for me all this week. Okay. Did I follow my risk manager? Yes, I did. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how was my emotional control? I will say 7, not because of that one trade loss, but first I was distracting myself from chart, which is a good thing when market is not good, but I was not focusing as I should have. And second, yes, I was feeling, and I feel that I'm going slow. I don't even though I'm going slow, and I don't let this affect my trading. So what I mean by this is, yes, there was some emotional things uh, in my mind this week, that the progress is slow, that it's taking so much time, and I'm not even making progress, and there is no opportunity when I'm not getting any opportunity, or I and am I doing something wrong? Should I change some risk management or something? So yeah, that's something which I'm still thinking about. I'm battling with, and I think it's not the right thing. I should be with this risk management and this trade management, and I should just trust the process and let it do let the edge do the work. What triggered my emotional reaction this week? Nagin Singh. A very small amount of impatience. Okay, a very small amount of impatience. Why I said that? Because of that one trade. It was, I won't say it was the worst trade, but still, by seeing all that market, I should have trade at all. A very small amount of pressure. Why? Even though I was very best of my patient control this week, yes, no doubt, alhamdulillah, I've been very patient this week. Yes, you are right. I mean, I'm right, but in that one trade loss, I should have shown a bit more patience. Not because that trade was very bad, because of the market, the way market went, I should have avoided that situation. I was thinking at that time, I showed a bit impatience. But yeah, no doubt, I'm grateful to Allah that I was not out of control. I was or was very impatient. Even this week was one of the worst price action I was saw, and there was a chance I could have made very bad decision, but I did very well, alhamdulillah. So actual recognition, the deal drive. What do my winning trades have in common? So there was no winning trade, so I did answer that. What do my losing trade have in common in this? So there was this one only trade which I did take, and that was a loss. And what I see a mistake in it was only one thing, which I won't say tag it like a mistake, but I'm highlighting it that it could be a mistake, because I, I don't know right now that is it a mistake, or is it a thing which should I be avoiding at overall or at all. This no set. So which was this 15 or 5-minute clean breaking architecture. Okay. If I could delete one specific behavior from my trading this week, what it would be? This week I don't know much. Do I won't say anything? Yeah, this week I don't do much, so there's no specific answer for that for this week. For next week, my plan is I will be very careful. The price action is going not good, at least for me, and it's okay. This time for every trader. I know my model works and works very fine, and will show, and I will not think anything why my model not showing. It's just because Market is not good. You know, I know. Yes, I know. Even when you did not get any opportunity to trade, I'm just talking to myself. To, tra- to trade was there was nothing exciting after that as well in the market, or say the price action was not good. Yeah, there was the price action was not good at all this week. So so another thing is no risking more than limit, no trade more than you have a limit on. And I think we should be trading less than we have been. I'm just talking to myself, been and risking less too. But I know you will not good at you will not good at all. You're saying you are risk. So I did some messed up here, like with some sentence. But I mean, what I mean by this, I know it's a bit difficult for me. Like back on my mind, I'm already feeling slow in progress. So okay, risk as you are, but at least make up by seeing all the price action, by seeing all the logical reason, set a limit for trades. Okay, because you feel like progress more. So okay, risk 1%. Okay, you go, but let's just take only one trade on one account for now. For this one, at least. Okay, yes, we got two accounts. Take one on one, and then if it's as stop loss and TP, if there's another opportunity, take that on another. Set a rule that I will not. I will take one trade on a one account. Feel like it will be a good decision taking one trade on one account, not instantly. Yeah. Last thing, patience, believe your edge, believe in yourself, believe in just I'm just saying some positive things to myself, writing it, and very more things which I said to myself at that time. So patient in the power of Allah is the Rasulullah, Allah kudrat mein hai from ya Allahumma salli ala Muhammad ya Muhammad ya Ali ya Sayyid al Dakni. Inshallah the next week will be better than I expect. So this was a trading. Let's get into the week beside the trading. Like hello. Okay, I'm back. Let's talk about the week beside the trading. What I said, the rules for this week. Let's talk about that. So workout. Uh, one session is left, which I will try to complete it this Sunday morning. I will try. We'll see. So yeah, 4 days this week. Backtest completed. Review last week. Yes, backtest week reviewed, as well as live trade review. Upload 3 videos. This will be my fourth video of this week. Meditation. Alhamdulillah, first time. I think first time I completed all days which I set it, 5 days a week. So yeah, journal 4 days out of 5, 1 day left. Try to complete it this Sunday morning. I will complete it. I like to journal. Just sometimes I don't get the time to journal because I like to journal at evening or morning, and at those both of those time I'm busy with something. So if I get free from those things early, then I got time. And if not, like for example, evening, at that time it's trading session. Like evening, not on say evening at night time. And if the session is long, then uh, there's chance that I won't be able to journal. So Majlis, I guess I listened to Majlis Hadith. Yes, I read it. Ziyarat, I did 4 out of 6. I have this day too. Inshallah, I will read it before going to sleep, and next morning Sunday I have to. So yeah. And the reading session, I did it very well. I read more than the goal was, and yeah, Alhamdulillah. And for the next week, same as all the things are same. It's just Ziyarat I set to 6. General, yeah, all these are same. I'm right now at 292 page number. So I read twice as much I've been doing in previous weeks and what I set for this week. So I read twice of that, more than twice, 292, and I'm setting 13 pages at least. And for the courage to be disliked, I'm setting 18 pages. Inshallah Ta'ala, and then this Arabic session. Inshallah Ta'ala, or and Arabic, I don't know, I missed the screenshot of the view of Arabic, which was here somewhere. Let me see. Yeah, it was here, and I listened to I did 2 Arabic sessions this week, so I can do way better than this. Inshallah Ta'ala, this week I will do all of them, and Inshallah Ta'ala, this week I will try to beat my last record and will complete all of these, like all these tips. I don't know if I did this yet or not. So yeah, Inshallah Ta'ala, this week, the upcoming week will be better than the previous week. Inshallah, Allah Hafiz in the next week.